Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a topic that's on a lot of Power BI users' minds. The brand new Power BI desktop home experience for 2025 and whether there's any way to switch it back to the old style. Maybe you're feeling a bit nostalgic or just super comfortable with the classic layout. Either way, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what's possible, what isn't, and a few workarounds that might help you out. Let's dive right in. If you've recently updated to Power BI Desktop 2025, you probably noticed some major changes as soon as you open the program. The landing screen looks different, the toolbar and format panes have modernized icons, and the overall home page just feels new. If you're wondering, can I get that old, familiar look back? You're definitely not alone. But here's the real story. Historically, whenever Microsoft rolled out big UI updates in Power BI Desktop, they'd let us opt into or out of these changes using preview features. Think of preview features as little switches in your Power BI settings. You could turn a new look on to experiment and just as easily switch back to what you were used to. Maybe you toggled off the new home experience or new format pane and instantly everything felt familiar again. But with this latest update, Microsoft has changed the rules. Once a new home or format pane becomes generally available, that is, once it's the official standard feature for everyone, those handy preview switches usually vanish. And in Power BI Desktop 2025, by checking through all the available settings, there's currently no reliable way to fully revert the home screen, format panes, or classic toolbar back to the old style using the menus alone. Basically, Microsoft has shut those doors for most users, and it's a change that's here to stay. Now, you might hear some folks suggesting you could simply download an older version of Power BI Desktop to get the classic experience back. On paper, that sounds like an easy fix, but in reality, it creates more problems than it solves. Microsoft officially supports only the very latest Power BI Desktop release. If you try working with old versions, you risk running into compatibility headaches, missing out on security patches, and even breaking the ability to open new or shared files. Plus, once you open and save a PBIX file in a newer version, you can't just go backward. Older versions won't recognize those files anymore. Still, I promised I'd show you what can be tried just in case. Some folks on slightly older versions may still see certain toggles under Options and Preview features. Here, what you do, open Power BI Desktop, go to File in the top left, then choose Options and Settings, then select Options. In the Preview Features area, look for anything labeled New Home Experience, New Format pane, or New Visualizations pane. If you spot those, you can uncheck them, apply the changes, and then restart Power BI Desktop to see if some old features pop back in. But heads up, on the latest 2025 releases, those options are typically missing or grayed out. Let's talk about individual files. Maybe you're worried about accidentally saving over a project with the new version. If you have a backup of your PBIX, or if you set up version control using SharePoint or even Git, you can often restore an earlier copy and keep working. It's a bit like keeping receipts for important purchases. You probably won't need them most of the time, but they're lifesavers when things change unexpectedly. So if you're finding the new Power BI Desktop home a little jarring, my advice is, give yourself a little time to adjust. Feature updates are always a bit bumpy, but they often come with new productivity perks, and as more users provide feedback, you may see further improvements. And don't stress if you can't bring back the old look exactly. Focus on using version control for your projects, and if you ever feel stuck, check out the official Power BI community or Microsoft Learn for support and tips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, and if you have any questions or just want to vent about the new Power BI look, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And of course, subscribe for more clear, trustworthy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy dashboarding.